What is he doing?
You're such a good helper, Layton.
I have no thingies over here.
Layton, are you cleaning up? Are you cleaning up?
Put it in. Good job. Good job, buddy.
Good job, buddy. What is? Oh, it's a little rattle thing. I was like, what is that? That wasn't. I didn't say that.
No, it's a chicken. Oh well, it's over.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
You know what? It's pretty good that we got to see it.
Hey, hey, where are you going?
It's only one.
Yes.
It has a 10-second attention thing.
Yeah, but for 15, he was cleaning up.
Yeah, he was. We told him it was totally game. Then I gave him the wrong toy. I screwed it up. Sorry, kids.
I love this thing.
No. Hours of amusement.
For me. This thing is cool.
Beep, 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 beep. From beep, beep.
The chicken's going for a ride.
Beep, beep. Uh-oh.